This is Belize Aquaculture, the product of a vision, a desire to set new standards in quality, efficiency, and the environmental impact of shrimp aquaculture. The plan called for a closed-cycle breeding program without the use of antibiotics in any part of the operation. It required rapid harvest from pond to processing plant to eliminate the need for chemical preservatives. And it dictated that processing must be to the highest standards in the world. BAL's ability to achieve such high levels of production is due to strict guidelines set at the start. The closed-cycle breeding program played a key role in achieving biosecurity. Nick Carpenter oversees hatchery operations.
The closed cycle has to do with the shrimp culture. The only shrimp we use are grown at Belize Aquaculture Ltd. We do not import any shrimp to use in our maturation department or our larval rearing department. By far the best species for our system to use is the little Penaeus vanameae, the Pacific white shrimp. That species is particularly good for high density culture. The hatchery is a biosecure system because we are, needless to say, extremely selective as to anything that gets introduced into this area. We go to great lengths to make sure that the quality of water we have at Belize Aquaculture is the best possible. Our water comes from the Caribbean. We do not use any lagoon water. We use clean, clear ocean water. And then we have a series of filtration procedures. We start out with a sand filter. From there it goes to ozone sterilization. The ozone then kills bacteria, Vibrio. We feel it also handles viruses. Our diet within the hatchery is very controlled, as are all facets within the hatchery. We must have a clean food and a healthy diet.
At all times, the feed must be free of unwanted contaminants. So Nick grows his own algae.
We actually teach the shrimp how to eat. We provide them with the best environment, we provide them with the best feed. All that they live for is eating. And if you give them the best, they will just keep eating. They will molt, they will grow, they will molt, they will grow. When they get to the farm, they take care of them there. And when you do that at every step of the process, then you have a really strong family line and a best shrimp in the world.
The close proximity of the hatchery to the ponds is no accident. To protect the surrounding environment, BAL constructed the ponds with plastic liners to prevent seepage of the pond's seawater into the groundwater. The liners also prevent any contaminants from leaching from the soil into the ponds. Water is pumped from the sea and passes through 50-micron filters into a reservoir, where it settles before being pumped into the ponds. For biosecurity and economic reasons, BAL employs a zero water exchange system from pond to processing in 20 minutes, one of the many BAL differences.
We harvest within 2 hours, freeze that product from deheading within 6 hours. Other processing plants take anywhere between 12 to 18 hours to accomplish the same task.
Maintaining the lowest possible temperature is vital, and it is checked frequently. Saltwater ice, or flow ice, is made at the plant. Unlike freshwater, the saltwater will not penetrate the shrimp flesh and weaken the texture and flavor. Flow ice fills 2 bulk feeders. Each holds 35,000 pounds of shrimp. The flow ice circulates to keep the biomass in suspension at -2 degrees Celsius. The contents of an entire pond can be loaded into a feeder in 1 hour. Quality control inspectors throughout the plant check temperatures, scales, and texture of the product to ensure they are at BAL standards. This is a HACCP FDA food processing plant with European certification. HESA practices have been integrated with ISO 9001-2000 standards to provide shrimp that is not only safe and fully traceable, but to the highest quality as well. The harvested shrimp are color rated A4 to A5, according to the European standard.
We are the best color. It's very difficult to get these colors on the species of shrimp that we are going.
With the ability to produce the best, BAL also offers a variety of value-added products.
We can also do block, individually quick frozen, chalan. We are also able to do easy peel.
BAL plans to offer cooked, peeled and deveined. The final steps demonstrate once again that BAL has employed the best practices possible. Block freezing takes only 90 minutes. With the ability to move the shrimp from harvest to freezer in just 6 hours, BAL guarantees freshness and high quality.